Pixies are the most popular haircut on the streets of Milan Fashion Week. Some haircuts have a timeless appeal that's hard to ignore. Simple, versatile, and forever chic, these looks are coined as classic. A bob probably first comes to mind when thinking of a shortcut. However, even the swingy chin-length style has nothing on the pixie. If you're still unconvinced, just look at the pixie haircut trend dominating the street style scene outside the Milan Fashion Week Fall-Winter 2024 shows. On the sidewalks of Italy's most stylish city, showgoers are putting their own spin on the traditional hairstyle left and right. It's not hard to see why the pixie is a top choice among the sartorial crowd. Short and oh so sweet, it has a range that is rivaled only by a few haircuts. Plus, it's the perfect canvas for many beauty looks. A tapered style, for example, expertly highlights the facial features, like the jawline and cheekbones. But not all shortcuts have to be strong and edgy. With the addition of wispy bangs or soft layers, the pixie takes on a romantic feel that's equally alluring. Regardless of version, it's clear that the iconic hairstyle has captured the attention of the Milanese street style set. So why should you get a pixie haircut? Short hair helps you see yourself as beautiful. We all want to feel beautiful. We want to look in the mirror and like what we see. But too often, we use different aspects of ourselves to feel pretty. And one of the most common things we rely on too heavily as women is our hair. Most women, at the thought of having to shave off their hair, would weep. For many of us, long hair is an identity. But what short hair does is take that dependency away. It forces us to see ourselves as beautiful without the long locks to frame our face, to be comfortable with not having a sheath of hair to hide behind, but instead, to truly love the way we look, not because we have long hair, but because we're lovely. And a pixie lets us show that off more easily. Pixies allow us to find a new style. With long hair, you can wear just about anything and never worry about being mistaken for anything but a woman. The same is not true for pixie cuts. When my hair was at its shortest, I tended to stay away from the plaid button-downs I'd worn every day for years before. What used to be easy and comfortable for me suddenly felt masculine. I had to find a new style, and fast. My new, cropped haircut looked best with dresses, short-sleeve tops, and more feminine looks, a challenge for my tomboy self. The clothes I'd never felt comfortable in became what looked best on me, giving me one of the biggest confidence boosts I could have asked for, and helping me branch out to try things I'd never had the guts to before. Closing thoughts. We're so often sold the idea that not every girl can pull off a pixie cut, but honestly, this simply isn't true. I firmly believe there's a pixie out there for every woman, and it's more than worth it to see if it's for you. And if it doesn't end up being your cup of tea, at least hair grows back, and your beauty and value as a woman have nothing to do with the length of your hair.